If you want to create an MSN email, the process now goes through Microsoft and Outlook, so I'll show you the fastest way to get it done. Make sure to follow along, and if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, go to outlook.com in your browser. Microsoft may redirect you to its main site, and that's completely normal. Once the page loads, click Sign In. On the next screen, choose Create One. This starts the account setup for your new Outlook or MSN email address. Now type in the new email address you want to use. If the name is taken, try a few variations until you find one that works. After that, click Next and create a strong password for your account. Then you'll be asked to enter your country or region and your birth date. Fill in the required details carefully because this helps Microsoft set up your account correctly. Click Next again, then enter your first name and surname. You may also need to complete a verification step like solving a check or choosing a passkey option. Once that is finished, your account will be created and you'll be signed in automatically. From there, you'll be redirected to Outlooker and your new MSN email is ready to use. And that's it. Your new Microsoft email account is set up. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll see you in the next one.